That's one way to do it.
What? Holy smokes, look at the spurs on this guy, Jeff.
So this hunt is a hunt where Carter Damlow fills his tag. Carter's a buddy of mine from college, done a couple duck hunts with him, but he hit me up Friday night, said he was on his way into town, and I said, why don't we try and get you a bird? He was gonna go do some scouting around himself on Saturday. I'd been out scouting and the weather has just been terrible. The wind, snow, sleet, everything cold. We haven't had a ton of activity around. I know guys have been seeing some activity, some birds moving. I know a couple guys that have actually gotten a few down in that weather. It's possible, it's just, it makes it difficult when you have limited time to get out and find them. So Friday night, he got into town a little late, so when I was out, I was finding some birds and wound up finding a Tom and 3 Jakes out on a public, and he said he was willing to take whatever, and I said I'm picky, so you're gonna have the first crack at them if it's something that I'm wanting to pass on. So we wound up getting out Saturday morning, set up probably 100 yards away from the roost, just to find out that these birds were actually roosted in multiple positions. When I put them to bed that night, I knew general location of where they were at. Saw a few hop up into a tree, but a couple of them must have moved right after I had left. And so we wound up in between birds. A Jake and a hen were behind us, and then we had the Tom and 2 other Jakes were out in front of us off this roost. So they're gobbling. Roosters had them going in the morning, had them shot gobbling right away. They hit the ground and they went dead quiet. We wound up watching these birds for, had to be close to half an hour, just sitting out in front of us 100 yards away, never really leaving that roost tree area. And but you'll see what happens here next.
Trying to see if he's got me here. Do it. Stick him up. Yeah, rooster. Get in here. That's a Jake. Is it? I think so. I don't see it unless it's here. It's swinging. Those are definitely the 2 that were roosted. Right here. Oh, I missed it.
Did you actually?
Yeah, I think so. Whatever.
Something died. That just goes to show you don't need a sight in your gun. All I said is, hey, he's got a beard. You say, yeah, he's got a beard. I was like, okay, he's gonna do it. Like I said, I ain't picky.
All I saw was he had a beard.
Oh yeah, not a long one, but he had a beard. None of those ones I got up and flew though really had big beards.
No, I think this was the biggest one.
Yeah, I've been at him.
Well, yeah, I had to try and stop him. He was confused. He's like,
They're still out there right in the middle. God, they're in some long ass grass.
"Are they?"
Yeah, let's see. Here, see their little heads poking? You can barely see their heads moving. Just barely.
They don't even know what just happened.
I have no idea. It's so windy out.
I think that was the
That was probably the beard. Yeah.
2-year-old. That's one way to do it. Oh, fun. Ain't bad. Getting it done.
35 yards.
30 yards? Yeah. No, he did not want to come to us, so he was trying to figure out a way to get out of here.
He was gonna run the loop.
Yeah, that was his only way. Don't know why he didn't want to fly. Got that beard?
Oh, look at the spurs on him.
What?
Holy smokes, look at the spurs on this guy, Jeff.
That ain't a Jake.
Look at those things. Holy smokes. Heck yeah.
Not much of a beard.
No. Look at it. Looks like he's got a little rot to it almost.
Probably, that's
A
why.
little beard rot.
Definitely not a Jake.
Oh shit.
What poopy. Well, another lovely day in Minnesota. These birds were roosted, what, 100 yards, 150 yards? Gobbled off the roost, hit the ground, and went absolutely quiet. They all wound up flying over the slough to our left over here, and this one was trying to make it across, and he said, "You want to take the long way?" And we set up in this little funnel, and Carter had his shotgun tag, so told him, shoot that thing, get it over with. He doesn't have much time to hunt, so figured why not get a bird on the ground. Got some daggers for spurs on the thing, which is surprising. I haven't seen one like that. But his beard looks like he's got some beard rot going. But that ends Carter's season, so now I gotta find one. Jeez, make me do all the work. So I kind of missed that shot there, but you know, that's part of trying to film out of a blind. You get some blind spots in the blind. I did my best, but I was super happy for Carter. It was great. He was super appreciative of me getting him out there and putting him on a bird. And I was just glad to see a bird hit the ground. That's what I love to see. I love to see people get excited when a bird goes down, and that's what it's all about. Making memories for everybody, and we had a blast, so it was all worth it in the end. So I know that was a quick hunt. It was actually a very quick hunt for us Saturday morning. Carter actually wound up forgetting his boots. I did forget to mention that in the little intro piece to it. So he got lucky, and I had a pair of boots for him. It was fast, it happened quick, but he got it done. I was super happy for him to get that bird on the ground. I do love seeing that. But I do have some more hunts coming up. I got an archery Minnesota tag left, and I got an archery South Dakota tag left. I do plan to head to South Dakota next Wednesday, so I'll be out there until I get that tag filled or until Sunday rolls around, and I gotta head back home and go to work. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was a fun hunt for us. I hope you guys are enjoying these hunting videos. I know I only got one out. This is the second one here. But drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment. I want to hear if you guys are enjoying these hunts. I promise I'm going to try and do better on this filming stuff. It is new to me, but I'm doing the best I can right now. And I just plan to keep on learning and growing through feedback from you guys. So with that being said, it's a lifestyle. We'll catch you in the next one.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble.